Hey, Wilson Taylor here. Today we are going over the DJI Osmo Pocket's microphone, so stay tuned. Today we were testing the microphone on the DJI Osmo Pocket. So this gives you an example of a setting that is controlled. So now we're indoors. I've taken some footage from outdoors. So we'll take a look at that in a second. So here's a comparison. I was reading from something that I found on the internet. So Portland, Oregon, in Washington Park is a huge space of land that covers more than 410 acres of land. The park is home to many of Portland's premier attractions. Some of these features are the Oregon Zoo, as well as the Children's Museum and the Japanese Gardens. So now let's take a look at some of that footage that I have gotten outside. Testing to see how the microphone sounds outside. Here in Portland, we have Washington Park. It is a huge space of land that covers more than 410 acres of land. The park is home to many of Portland's premier attractions. Some of these features are the Children's Museum, the Japanese Gardens, as well as the Oregon Zoo. So that gives us a little idea of how it sounds outside. Some of the sounds of skating. Okay guys, remember on the DJI Osmo Pocket, it has two microphones. One of them is right here, as well as the second one is located right here. So remember, when you are holding this, it's very easy to put your fingers and cover up both microphones. So be aware that the two microphones is here, and do not cover them so you will not muffle the sound of these microphones. I hope you guys liked the video on the DJI Osmo Pocket microphone. Be sure and check out the video that I made on some of its footage right up here. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.